As we welcome back Andrew Springall from A&H Custom Fence and Decks, we invite you to witness the transformation of 308 King Street's new Sky Rooftop Lounge. Andrew and his dedicated team have always taken pride in their craftsmanship and quality, and this project is no exception. Using Trex Beach Dune composite decking, they set out to create a breathtaking outdoor space. Over 4,000 square feet, every detail was meticulously planned and executed. From the elegant gazebos to the sturdy rails, from the modern tiles to the lush turf, watch as this space evolves from a blank canvas to a stunning rooftop lounge. See the remarkable before and after shots and witness the magic of transformation, all brought to life by Andrew and his team's dedication to excellence. Here at New Trend, we proudly serve North America as your wholesaler, offering unbeatable prices for your DIY projects. With our products, you too can achieve results like these and more. Speak with one of our sales experts today. They'll help you craft a solution to maximize any outdoor space, turning it into an oasis of your choosing. Visit newtrendfencing.com or come by our store today to get started on your next project. New Trend Fencing, quality you can trust and affordable prices. At New Trend, you've got a friend. We hope to see you soon.